See, as we have opened the Tally, the company which was created in last video, HIIT Computer Kent, has opened automatically. If you want to work in another company, just press Alt F1, press enter on select company and select one of the company from the list. Suppose we will now work in HIIT Computer Pune. Press enter. We have just got the second screen, Gateway of Tally. Under this menu, to create a ledger, just move to Accounts Info. See, we are already on Accounts Info. Just press enter. Here, move to Ledgers. Enter. The second step is very important in Tally. Here, we have to select the different type of groups as per the requirement. See here, after creation of a company, two ledgers are created automatically. Just we will have the display. Press enter. Cash and profit and loss account are created automatically. To come out from this screen, press escape. To move to previous screens in Tally, we have to press escape, and to move in a forward direction, just press enter. Now to create our own ledgers, press enter on create. This is our ledger creation screen. See, first we have to specify the ledger name. Suppose Mr. Razi. Then press enter. Once again enter. Alias name is the next name of a ledger. As we move to under option, a list of groups has been displayed. While creating ledger accounts, the information given, the name of the account group in this option is very important. Before typing any information here, the computer shows us the list of various groups, and from this list we can select one group. This task of group selection is very important and should be done using your brain. In the list of groups in all, Tally has given the names of 30 groups. While creating each and every account, the most appropriate group relating to that account should be chosen. See here, as we have created a ledger name by account owner's name, so a suitable group to that ledger is capital account. For the first time, owner owes the money to business. Opening balance column will kept blank right now. This is a feature if you want to carry forward your balance amount which is on 31st March to next year, then at that time you should enter your amount here. We are just starting with a new company, so we left it blank. This is a personal information. Just enter the address, select the state, PAN number, MST number is not required for institution, so we are just keeping it blank. Now it is asking to save the ledger. Yes, we want to save it. Just press enter. So we have created just one ledger under group capital account. We will just see 6 to 7 groups in this tutorial. The next group we will see here, direct expenses. Direct expenses like wages, power, etc. means expenses related to manufacturing department. Suppose we will create one ledger wages. So just select, if you press D, the ledgers which are starting with D will be highlighted by down arrow of the keyboard. Just select a suitable group. See here, direct expenses group are there. Select. Once again press enter to accept the ledger. The next group we will create here under direct income. The income which directly affect on gross profit. Example, professional fees. The companies which are not trading organization but which are service industries have to draw the ledger professional fees in their ledger book instead of ledger sales. We will just create one ledger by name fees. Enter. Select the direct incomes group. Next group we will see here, indirect expenses. For indirect expenses which are shown on P&L account, debit side, example salary account, general expense account. We will create one ledger by salary account. It will go under, if you press I, you will get the I ledgers list. Just move to indirect expense through arrow key, press enter. Press enter, accept, yes. Next we will see indirect incomes. Indirect incomes like commission received, rent received, etc. We are creating a ledger by name rent received. A suitable group for this ledger is indirect incomes. Now we will see about purchase account and sales account. Purchase account for the accounts of purchases and purchase returns account. Purchase account. A group by name purchase accounts is there. Just select the purchase account group. For purchase return account, also purchase accounts will be used. For sales, we have to select a sales group. See, sales accounts. Sales return, once again under sales accounts. So any item which has been purchased should be taken under purchase account, and the items which are sold you should take a sales account group. For returns also we have to select a purchase account and a sales account for sales return. So we have just seen the details about the 7 groups. First, capital account, indirect income, indirect expense, direct income, direct expense, purchase account and sales account. To come out from a ledger screen, just press escape. Once again press escape. Just we will have a look the ledgers we have created just now. Just move to display, press enter. See, the ledgers are arranged in an ascending order list, means in alphabetic order. Previously only 2 ledgers were shown, cash and profit and loss account. Right now we have created the ledger fees. Press enter under direct income group. See the owner name Mr. Razi under capital account group. Purchase account under purchase accounts, for return also purchase account, rent received under indirect incomes, salary, indirect expenses, sales, sales account, sales return, sales account, and wages under direct expenses. If any of the group you have selected a wrong group for any ledger, to make changes in existing ledger creation, just move to alter. Suppose we will create a ledger, create, see here, bike sales. By mistake you have selected purchase accounts and ledger is saved. Now don't create a ledger once again by bike sales. See here, you will get a message duplicate entry. You can't create by same name again. So instead of creating, just press escape, move to alter to make changes, select that ledger, see here bike sales, press enter. You will once again get the ledger alteration screen. Previously a ledger creation, now ledger alteration. Keep the ledger name as it is, enter. Now change the group, sales accounts. See, we have just changed the group. Previously it was purchase, now the group has changed to sales account. To remove the ledger also, just move to alter. If you don't require any of the ledger from here, just press enter on that ledger and press Alt D. Please note it down, Alt D. A prompt message will be there in front of you. Now really if you want to delete it, press Y, otherwise N. Press Y. See, the ledger has been deleted. So we have completed how to create ledgers using a single ledger option. Multiple ledgers is nothing but creation of ledgers by one group into multiple forms. Just see, create. First select the group, suppose indirect expenses. Enter. You can type here electricity charges. Enter. Enter. Second ledger name continuously you can feed here. Rent paid. Advertising. So in this way you can create multiple ledgers through multiple ledger creation screen. See, accept, yes. The work is same to create ledgers, but here we can create single ledger at a time. Here multiple ledgers can be created under one group. Hope you have cleared the concept of ledger creation. Here is the important concept is to select a proper group for a ledger.